Chapter number 6. Rolling. Sliding. Hello my super learners. It's me, your buddy EDZAM. Today, I'm watching two of my friends, Rashmi and Ramesh, having loads of fun with some toys. They're playing and noticing something very interesting. Some things roll and some things slide. Let's watch and learn along with them.
Ramesh, shall we play?
Yes, sure, let's enjoy.
Look, the drum is rolling. Rolling means moving round and round, like the drum. See how it spins as it moves? Now look at this box. It is sliding. You take this tire, it rolls too.
Yes, it rolls. I'm enjoying this so much.
Let me tell you something super simple. Things that are round like a ball or a tire roll. Things that are flat or box-shaped like a book or a box slide. Rolling means turning round and round as it moves. Sliding means moving smoothly without turning. Yay! Hooray! Now we know what rolls and what slides. Let's go to our slide and test some objects ourselves. Okay friends, I have a slide right here. Let's place some objects on the slide and see what happens. Here are some objects. We will circle the ones that roll and tick mark the ones that slide. Let's place the ball first on the slide. The ball rolls down fast. So, circle the ball because it rolls. Now, let's place the book. Oh, it slides smoothly without turning. So, tick mark the book because it slides. Let's try the box next. Yes, it also slides down. So, tick the box. Now, take this lemon, place it on the slide. What do you think? Roll or slide? Yay! Correct. It rolls. So, circle the lemon. What about the marble? Let's check. Yes, it rolls too. So, circle the marble. Yay! Friends, you all are amazing roll and slide experts. Now that you've got the hang of it, let's try one more fun activity. And tick activity. Let's use our brain. Here are some objects. You have to think. Does it roll or slide? Then tick the correct option. Ball. We already know. It rolls. So, tick on rolling. Next, brick. Brick has flat sides. It slides. So, tick on sliding. Cylinder roll. It's round on the sides. Yes, it rolls. So, tick on rolling. And last, the stick is long and round like a cylinder. Yes, it also rolls. Tick on rolling. Wow, you all did such a great job. Let's try one more activity. Look at the two pictures of the bag. Here, we have to color the box below the bag. That is easier to move. In the first picture, the trolley bag is hard to move because it doesn't have wheels. In the second picture, the trolley bag moves easily because it has wheels. So we will color the second box because the bag in the second picture is easy to move. Now that you know which objects roll and which slide, but did you know some objects can both roll and slide too? Let's check it out. Look at this tire. If we place the tire standing up, it rolls down the slide. But if we place the tire flat, it will slide down instead. So a tire can both rolls and slides, depending on how you place it. Now it's your turn to draw. Draw some objects that can both roll and slide in your notebook. Now, you know how to spot what rolls and what slides. You all are superstars. See you in the next fun lesson. Bye bye.